Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is part 8 of the Dagger tutorial. I hope you watched all parts of Dagger tutorial. So till now we have seen the field injection, method injection and constructor injection, and how to instantiate the implemented objects if it is an interface, and how to create the objects of implemented classes. So we have seen how to use modules and how to provide them to the car component in this example. So we have seen how to provide modules to the car component. So in this video we will see how to provide values at runtime. Let's say car is dependent on engine and wheels. And engine is interface and it has two implemented classes. Let's go to diesel engine. So diesel engine presently doesn't have any arguments in constructor. Let's say we have a variable private int horsepower. Now we are taking horsepower as an argument, and we are assigning that to private variable. So in car component we have told to Dagger to use diesel engine module to create an engine, and Dagger will try to construct a diesel engine using this constructor, but Dagger doesn't know what value to provide to horsepower at runtime. So Dagger can't create any object of diesel engine. Let's see the output or the error, what we will get exactly. We have got an error saying integer cannot be provided without an inject constructor or a provides annotated method. So without this argument, Dagger knows how to create diesel engine, but Dagger doesn't know at runtime what value to provide to horsepower. So in this case we will go back to diesel engine module to create diesel engine object. So let's go back to provides, because with binds we can't do any configurations. Let's go back to provides as we have seen in the previous videos, and let's provide an implementation for this. Let's remove this abstract class. And in order to provide horsepower value to diesel engine, let's create a variable in diesel engine module, private int horsepower, and let's create a diesel engine module constructor which will take horsepower as an argument. Now we are creating a constructor of diesel engine module which will take horsepower as argument, and we will assign this to horsepower. Now everyone knows modules are used to create objects of classes here, and Dagger can use these objects whenever it wants. And here we will create new diesel engine and return it, and for argument we have horsepower, we will just pass it. And if you see, we are not going to create diesel engine with using Dagger, so we don't need this argument. We are directly creating new diesel engine and horsepower, and we are telling Dagger to use this engine to create diesel engine in car component, because in car component we have provided the diesel engine module. So at runtime we need to provide the value of horsepower to the diesel engine module. Let's see how to provide it. Now we have changed diesel engine module. Let's rebuild the project so that the Dagger car component implementation will be changed internally by Dagger. Now let's go to main activity. We have got an error. So now the Dagger component doesn't have a method create, because in car component we have provided modules, but this module has a argument constructor. So if any module has argument constructor, then this method won't be there in Dagger component. We can go to Dagger component implementation and see we don't have any create method here. Instead we have a builder. We can use a builder. Let's see how to use a builder. We have used a builder. The builder returns a new builder. So builder is also nothing but the internal class, the builder. And with using this builder we can provide arguments to diesel engine module. Here you can see diesel engine module, there is a method and it will take a diesel engine module object, and let's provide this to it. Dot diesel engine module, and we are going to create new diesel engine module with horsepower 100. And finally we want a car component. We need to do dot build. So we have a builder. With that builder we can pass a new diesel engine module, and finally we can do build. So finally we will get a car component. So now Dagger will use this horsepower to create diesel engine module, and for creating, while creating diesel engine, the Dagger will pass this 100 to the diesel engine. And to know exact output, let's add a log here. Just add horsepower and let's execute this and see the output. So as you can see here, the diesel engine started with horsepower 100. So now we have provided the runtime value for the horsepower. Let's go to diesel engine module. So here we are providing horsepower to the diesel engine module, and this is how we will get a car component. We will provide a new diesel engine module with 100, and Dagger will use this 100 to provide diesel engine. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel, and please watch more videos. We'll update Dagger tutorial. Thank you for watching.